Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us relate, transcribe and sound these few words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes. I'm done. Okay, the first word here is drum. This one is play. This is praise. Dance. Sing. Joy. Yeah, and this one is that. That's it. Then you close them up quickly so you can sound them together. Okay, let's go. Drum. Play. Praise. Dance. Sing. Joy. God. Drum. Play. Praise. Dance. Sing. Joy. God. I'll go over it just once more. Drum. Play. Praise. Dance. Sing. Joy. God. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.